Convex, the AI-driven app creation platform. Whether you're looking to have a to-do web app that interacts with ChatGPT or gain insights from data stored in TiDB through ChatGPT, just share your idea. Convex will craft a complete app for you. Convex analyzes user ideas, sparks inspiration, and through AI reasoning, generates corresponding protocol files, APIs, web pages, database migrations, and documentation. With end-to-end testing and user feedback, the product undergoes multiple iterations to match user expectations. Getting started with Convex is a breeze. Step 1. Deploy our template. Simply click a button, follow the guidance on Versal UI, name the cloned repo, choose TiDB Cloud, and wait for deployment. Our Convex platform seamlessly supports both serverless and data service modes of TiDB Cloud. Once our template is deployed, use Convex and input your idea. Showcasing Convex with Story Mode. To better demonstrate our project, we've introduced a story mode for Convex, visually illustrating how your idea blossoms into an app with Convex's assistance. Fast forward to 2030, 3 humanoid robots founded a company named Convex, outsourcing various demands from human clients. Today, a client approached Convex wishing for a personalized to-do app that supports creating, listing, and updating tasks, and conversing with the app via ChatGPT. The trio of robots collaboratively programmed and discussed the project. The CEO and CTO clarified the idea and drafted a project plan. Based on the plan, the CTO designed the architecture, generating the ORM file and defining app entities. An open API was also produced outlining the app's APIs. Using this open API, they began crafting APIs in the style of Next.js. Given the client's requirement for the app to converse with the ChatGPT plugin, Engineer generated all necessary descriptor files for ChatGPT. Subsequently, Engineer started building the app's web pages employing the Next.js 13 app router style. Engineer is proficient in the latest React trends, prioritizing the use of modern libraries like SWR. In conclusion, CTO provided the client with comprehensive documentation, explaining each API and page. Live demo of the Convex-generated app. In a real-time demo of what Convex can achieve, we present an app equipped with an integrated documentation system. Every generated API and page comes with its own documentation. Users can directly modify these documents. When changes are detected, Convex uses this feedback for continuous project enhancement. Our showcased To-Do app seamlessly integrates with TiDB serverless. With migrations and schemas auto-deployed to Vercel, creating a new task on the web is a breeze, and it's saved instantly in TiDB. Furthermore, this app is equipped with the ChatGPT plugin, enabling conversational interactions. Simply install the To-Do plugin and start a dialogue. Whether you're checking out current tasks or adding a new one, the results are permanently stored in TiDB. With Convex at your fingertips, input your idea and watch it transform into a fully functional web app and ChatGPT plugin. Thanks to TiDB, every interaction between you and ChatGPT is preserved, making TiDB an external memory bank that captures and stores more of your memories. Creating an analysis app with data from TiDB. Has you ever thought of crafting an analysis app using data already stored in TiDB? With Convex, it's a walk in the park. We even support TiDB data service. Now let's dive into another real AI-generated demo. First, let's peek at our existing datasets and APIs. With the help of TiDB Cloud's tutorials, we've set up an SP500 database and established 3 endpoints within the data service. You can view the top 50 companies by market value or search using stock codes. We tasked Convex with creating an SP500 insight. Convex, leveraging the open API auto-generated by TiDB data service, analyzes the existing capabilities. By examining the database schema, it discerns the dataset patterns and crafts the corresponding insight page. And just look at that. The UX of the Convex-generated app is spot on. Next, we'll install the SP500 analysis in ChatGPT time to pose a few questions to ChatGPT. Through the SP500 Insight app, ChatGPT can fetch data from TiDB and generate relevant insights. With Convex, anyone can harness the power of conversational TiDB datasets. Our team was thinking, what will the future of software development look like? We believe that in the future, people can create any digital resource without the need for programming skills, just focused thinking. Therefore, through this hackathon, we have validated the two most core issues left with this idea: engineering and multimodality. So, our project slogan is, Productivity App, not beautiful junk. We don't want to generate beautiful junk. We want to produce productivity tools. First of all, productivity tools need a powerful infra to support them. TiDB is our only choice. TiDB has undergone tests in multiple financial systems in China. It is a fully production-ready database. TiDB Cloud helps us not to worry about operations like expansion and offers a one-click solution to get a financial-grade database. Secondly, feedback and test-driven incentive mechanism engineering emphasizes quick trials and errors. Finally, through prompt engineering, we tested the ability boundaries of LLM. We let GPT generate various configuration files for TiDB data service. Next is multimodality. Is the input merely an idea? Add an API and you can chat about the weather with ChatGPT. But what if you can converse with a dataset? Or with any table in the TiDB cloud? This year's project is essentially an evolution of last year's TiDB hackathon. Last year our project was text to SQL, SQL to summary, and chart analysis. The capabilities were limited to GPT-3. This year, based on GPT-4, we can make bolder attempts. What about the future? Finally, our expectations for the future development process. Humans are responsible for writing documentation, recording ideas. AI generates project code. The machine runs the corresponding code. Humans provide feedback, record it, and the cycle repeats. In this process, a powerful infra like TiDB is indispensable to support the operation. Next is the gains from this hackathon. We discovered more than 10 bugs and a large number of suggestions covering Vercel TiDB integration and TiDB data service. We have reproduced some of the bugs with the corresponding TiDB engineers. We will help TiDB improve the corresponding products. At the same time, we had a lot of thoughts and inspirations during this year's hackathon. A new paper is being prepared, so stay tuned. That's Convex. Thank you, Watch.